Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. Today, I'm going to be doing a video about my Power Lead System results. Now, usually I only do about one of these a week, but yesterday I actually had an all-in sale come in with the new product. So that was a total of $1,520 that just came in from one customer, which is really awesome. And let me just show you what that looks like real quick. So as you can see, here are the dates, and as I scroll down here, it says, Paul, you just earned $1,000. There's a diamond, that's $100. There's a fast start, that's $400, and that right there is a gold, which is $20. So that's a total of $1,520. Obviously, I made more than that because, as you can see on these dates right here, there are other sales that came in. Okay, so I just wanted to show that real quick. I'm going to jump over my commissions earned. As you can see, I'm at $1,905 for the week. Now remember, the week starts over on Sunday morning, early Sunday morning. Saturday night's the last day. So I'm at 1905. This is Wednesday, the start of Wednesday. So obviously I'm going to be going well over $2,000. It definitely pays to have $1,000 commissions. As you can see, here's my commission there. There's a 400 for Social Profit Academy, 100's in here, and 20's in there. Okay, so let me just jump over here real quick, and I want to keep this pretty short, but just want to go over just a couple things. So Power Lead System, if you don't know, it is a marketing tools and training platform. Basically, whatever you want to promote, you can promote with Power Lead System. That's what it's designed to do. That's what most people do. They promote Power Lead System with a primary business. But you could also, because they've added the brand new product, which pays $1,000 commissions, you could really just use this program just as is and make a very good income just as is. Now, before they added Master Traffic Institute, which is packed full of quality training on traffic generation, and it's done in-house by top Power Lead System affiliates, top earners in Power Lead System. Some of the trainings on branding, email marketing, YouTube marketing, postcard marketing, SMS marketing, and there's so much more in there that I haven't even touched. But it's a very quality program. You're going to learn a lot. It's great for people that are new. There's blogging training, and to be honest, it is exactly what somebody who is new, someone's been struggling, even someone that's been around a while is going to learn something new in there because there's so much content. And the thing is, they're going to continue to update it as they go, as new things are added and things like that. So it's an ever-growing thing that's in-house. Really cool. Pays $1,000 commissions. $200 override, so when your team makes a sale and they have that level, you get $200. But just to let you know, just with the gold, the diamond, the platinum, that's what we had before. I was able to create a full-time income within a few months with this program. Now that we have $1,000 commissions, I mean, it's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing what you can do. Now understand something. So there's one residual level, okay, and that is the gold level. This pays you $20 residual income and 50% match bonus. That means for every person you bring into your business, you're going to get an extra $10 from each sale they make. So that's really phenomenal. That really adds up. So if someone's making $1,000, you're going to get $500. If they're making $2,000, you're going to get $1,000. And this really, really adds up over time. Rather quickly. Then we have the one-time payments, and these are all training products. By the way, gold gets you a ton of marketing tools, all kinds of training. In fact, it gives you this endless free leads training, which is sold for like $400 on the market outside of Power Lead System, and you get that for just the $53.97 monthly. Plus all these tools, you get email autoresponders, autoresponder, contact manager, all kinds of web pages, websites, capture pages, hangout pages, just a sales duplicator, sales funnel duplicator, share codes that allow you to take any page and share it with your team. So that can really help you with duplication. Whatever page you create, share it with your team. Well, let's get to the one-time payment. So you must, I get asked this a lot, can I skip gold? No, you cannot skip gold. Everyone needs to be gold and an affiliate, and then you can move forward. Actually, you might be able to be gold, and then you can buy the diamond. But if you want to earn, which most people do, you want to be an affiliate for $23.97. So it's a total of $54.97. If you're a customer only, it's $30. You use the tools, use the training, and promote whatever you want to promote. But if you want to be an affiliate, you want to earn commissions from Power Lead Systems' very leveraged compensation plan, then you definitely want to become an affiliate. So it's $53.97. That gets everything I just said. Now the rest of these trainings here, these products, are one-time payments, one-time only payments. So you pay it one time, you're done. So you never have to pay it again. I love that. You never have to pay it again, and you could earn commissions over and over and over and over and over again, and it definitely pays for itself. So $147 one time for Free Ad Secrets pays you $100 and 25% bonus. Okay, so if your team has this, you're going to earn $25 just because they had it and they made a sale. Okay, if they don't have it, it passes up to you. With any of these products, if your team doesn't have any of these products and they make a sale, it passes up to you. But if they do, there are bonuses. Social Profit Academy is $497 one time, and it pays $400 commissions. Remember, with these 3 products, I was able to create a full-time income within 3 months. And when I say full-time, I mean consistent. Consistent, okay? It's consistent every week, pretty much. It hasn't dipped below 1,000 ever since the beginning of this year. So that's what I mean by that. Now we have Master Traffic Institute. That is $14.97 one time, and that pays you $1,000 commissions and $200 overrides. I already talked about what's in there. Honestly, this is everything you need right here. You really don't need anything else to create a full-time income, to create an income that you could walk away from your job. No joke. This is the real deal. So I bet you're asking, what do you have to do, or what do I do to create a full-time income? Well, it's very simple. We use a very simple funnel that our team provides, already done. You don't have to go and type it, create the content, the copy. You don't have to write the emails. You don't have to do any of that stuff. You don't have to create the sales page. It's already taken care of for you. All you have to do is get traffic to that, and our team offers a traffic co-op where you can get quality traffic, very affordable quality traffic that does make sales. It gets sales, opt-ins, leads, build your list, and then you want to follow up. So we do traffic, paid and free or paid, whatever you want to do. I recommend paid and free. And then from there, you want to follow up. Now, we teach you everything you need to know in our group. Everything you need to know about creating a full-time income online, we teach you. So that is completely covered. So if you want to get the best training that we offer as a team, now, of course, you're going to get training in Power Lead System. Of course, that's more than enough, but some people want more of a hands-on approach, and that's what we offer with our team. So at minimum, what I recommend is you do gold and diamond. That's going to be about $200. But what that's going to do, not only is it going to position you to make $100 over and over and over again, it's also going to give you access to our team training. So we have 90-day blitz going on where we do live training on pretty much a daily basis, where you can go and get your questions answered. You're basically being held by the hand and walk through step by step what to do to get results, period. Okay? There is no mystery. There is no what do I do? It's exactly what you do. And then when you're at the gold and diamond level, I also have my own personal group where I give my resources, the resources I use to build my business. I share the routine I follow on a daily basis, live in there. I open it up to questions. So really, you want to make a full-time income online, you have everything you need right here. There's no question at all what needs to happen. Just get plugged in. I would really recommend starting at gold and diamond minimum. If you want to go fast, if you want to make more than less, if you want to do it fast, then you want to purchase all the products. Okay, that's just a common sense, to be honest. You want to position yourself to make the most money. If you cannot do that, though, find a way to get started. We do have some free training. It's not going to be the hands-on training, the live daily training, but we do provide training. You're not going to have. It's not like you're going to have any training. Okay, if you go to if you go here, you're going to get access to this training right here, Endless Free Leads, and that teaches you how to utilize social media to get endless free leads, make sales for free. So even if you do that, but I highly recommend, this is what I recommend. People ask me my advice all the time. I'm like, look, if you're on a budget, find a way to get to gold and diamond, because you're going to get plugged into our training. We walk you by the hand. We show you exactly what to do. But if you can't do that, do gold. But if you want to go big, you want to create a full-time income, and you would rather do it sooner than later, then purchase all the products, get plugged into our training, do what we teach you to do, and you'll get there. Okay, so that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Be sure to click the link right below this video so you can go ahead and get started. I look forward to working with you. And, I do videos all the time, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notifications bell. Make sure that's turned on so you get my newest videos, okay? So with that, make it a great day, and I'll see you next time.